In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an ebook to your Shopify store in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to share your digital products with your customers, you've come to the right place. Here's a straightforward guide to get you started. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll notice an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic really begins, as you'll be using an app to help sell your ebooks. In the search bar at the top of the page, type in digital download. This search query will bring up several apps specifically designed for selling digital products. From the list of apps that appear, look for one called Digital Downloads by FileMonk. Click on it. This particular app is popular and well suited for managing ebook sales, offering essential features that allow your customers to download digital products straight from your store. Next, you'll need to install the app. Find the install button and give it a click. Shopify will guide you through a few prompts to complete the installation process. Don't worry, it's quick and easy, and before you know it, you'll be ready to start selling. Once installed, click on the Get Started button to launch FileMonk within Shopify. Now, FileMonk offers various pricing options. For the purpose of getting started, simply choose the free option. So, find and click on free and then follow up with a click on subscribe. The free plan will offer the basic functionalities you need to sell digital downloads. It's time to upload your ebook. Within FileMonk, you should see an option to upload a file. Click there to select the ebook file you want to sell. Make sure it's in a format your customers can easily download, like PDF or EPUB. After uploading, you'll want to link this file to a specific product in your Shopify store. This step is crucial as it ensures your ebook is available for purchase and download by your customers. Once linked, you'll be able to send download links directly to your customers upon purchase. This seamless process ensures that your buyers receive their digital product instantly, enhancing their shopping experience with you. Lastly, to ensure everything is set up correctly, create a test order. This will let you experience the purchase process from a customer's perspective and help you verify that everything is working smoothly. With these easy steps, your ebook will be up and ready for sale on your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy selling.